Today I'm going to show you how to fill without formatting, and maybe I can show you how to do the fill series, fill with formatting and the stuff. So in some cases, let's say we want to fill the values in these other columns. For example, let's find the total for the first student. So you come and type equal sum, and we drag that there and press enter. So if we want to populate the other cells without formatting, we just come and place our cursor there. You make sure you have pressed right click your button on the mouse touchpad. It turns to this kind of an arrow, and then you're going to drag down like that, and then you'll ask for options: fill formatting only, fill without formatting. So in our case, we want it to fill without formatting. So I click fill without formatting, and those values are there without any formatting. For it to be much clearer, we can decide and put, let me undo, and in this one, let me format it as currency, like that. Okay, let's use a good currency. Let's say just currency, using the currency form, this currency. Okay, like that. So we have this formatted as a currency. So if we want to format it as a currency, or without formatting, which is already formatted as a currency, we just right click and it turns that color, drag down, and then click on fill without formatting. Another says will not have any formatting. So, and the other one, if you want to fill with formatting, like place the cursor at least turn this positive, then right click, drag down, then fill formatting only. So you can see all these will be formatted as currency. For example, when I click on this cell, it will be formatted as currency. You see? Yes, so mostly that's how you do the fill without formatting and the fill with formatting. And that is it. Thank you, and see you in another video. Please subscribe and see you soon.